guys, Kathy Taber-Montgomery here. Today we're making basic white bread. The ingredients for this are things you'd find in your pantry or in the house. It's flour, sugar, salt, dry active yeast, milk, water, and oil. You want to mix your dry ingredients together. Your wet ingredients will get warmed on the stove before they get mixed into the bowl of the dry ingredients. Be sure not to set your mixer on high. Stay tuned for bloopers at the end. Once the dough is firmed up, you want to cover it and set it to the side to let it rise. Once it has risen, you want to flatten it out, get all the air out, try to get it all laid out nicely, and then you want to fold it together, squishing the rolls together, and then kind of pat everything in place before placing into a greased pan. And you want to make sure that it's nice and greased so the sides don't stick. You want to do some oil or butter on top of the bread to make it look that nice and crunchy when it comes out. Enjoy the warm bread with butter or your choice of spread.